Assalamu alaikum. Ashik Mahmud. Today session is on 7 segment display. The 7 segment display is an electronic display which is display some decimal number from 0 to 9. So here here left side we see some decimal number 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, and in the right side we see the actual display where we see the decimal numbers like 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. So here this 7 segment we name this from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we represent binary digit from 0 to 9. From here we see digit, section, segment and binary. For 0, here A segment, B segment, C segment, D segment, E segment and F segment is true. So we write here A, B, C, D, E, F, and the binary digit we write and here we again find the value for 1. For 1 here only B and C is 1. For 2, A segment is 1, B segment is on, G segment is on, E segment is on and D segment is on. So we write here A segment, B segment, G segment, E segment and D segment, and here we marking A segment, B segment, C off, D segment on and E segment on, F segment 0 and G segment on. Rest of the is 0. Now we find the value for 3. Here for 3 segment A is on, B is on, G is on, C is on and D is on and the rest of the segment are off. So we write A, write here binary number A, B, C, D and G. Find for 7. For 7, here segment A is on, B is on and C is on, and rest of the segment are 0. A, B, C is on. So for binary number, rest of the element are 0. Find for 9. Here for 9, G segment is on, F segment is on, A segment is on, B segment is on, C segment is on, D segment is on, and here only E segment is off. So we write here A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Only E segment is off. So left segment is F, G. So we write here the binary: A segment on, B segment on, C segment on, D segment on, E segment off, rest of the segment on. To display 5, to display 5, and here A is on, F is on, G is on, C is on, and only D is on, and rest of the segment are off. Here the binary representative of 5. A is on, for A, B is off, C on, D on, E off, F and G. Now we find out the assembly code for display 5, and we use mob instruction here. Mob BX 1000 is its offset address, and then mob L, and here we write the hexadecimal below from this 60, and then we use xlet. For display we use xlet. Now we write a lookup table for 5, and here and lookup table for 5, here offset address and hexadecimal value and digit for 5 here, and equivalent hexadecimal value of 5 is 60. So here we write the 6. Today I discuss about 7 segment display. To display any number from 0 to 9 on this display. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.